Hello, my name is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will be ranked better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous free video tutorials, we create website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We use only free extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. In this video review, we'll talk about Joomla 5.1. This is the version of Joomla content management system that was released on April 16, 2024. It added new features, improved code security and speed. Most of the changes consider the code and not visible in the admin or the front part of the website. A total of 2047 different changes were made. Of them, there are 69 new features. In this video review, we will talk about the biggest changes in Joomla 5.1 compared to version 5.0. There are some updates for System Safe plugin. The new settings allow you to remove index.php from the URL, configure the redirection for URLs with or without trailing slash to the option you want, and also configure redirection to the main domain. Previously, it was also possible to remove index.php from the URL in general settings of Joomla, but in some cases it might not work. There are two new schema.org plugins, Article and Custom. In Joomla 5.0, you already have the opportunity to add structured data to the website. In version 5.1, were added two new plugins, Article and Custom. The Custom plugin allows you to add any micro markup code you want in JSON format. A dark mode theme was added to Joomla 5.0, but to enable it, it was necessary to change the mode in operation system. Now you can go to the style setting of Atom template, Administrator template style, Atom, and here you can see new setting. You can change it. Also, the new switch appeared here in menu, Light mode, Dark mode. If you don't see this switch, go here, just save and close, and now you can see new switch. In Joomla 4.1, a special tool was added to check the accessibility of content to users with disabilities. This plugin called System Joomla Accessibility Checker. In Joomla 5.1, this tool has been improved to detect and fix accessibility issues such as color, contrast issues, missing tags, and so on. In Joomla 4.3, the education tours were added, and in Joomla 5.1, if you installed your CMS from scratch, you will see prompts when you first enter the admin. Also, you can click here, click Welcome Joomla and see the Welcome tour. According to the official website, security updates will be released for Joomla 4.4 until October 14, 2024. The bug fixes of this CMS branch is planned until October 15, 2024. The new features will not longer be added to Joomla 4. So, you should think about choosing the right time to update your site from Joomla 4 to 5. Please note, updating Joomla 3 to 4 is much longer and expensive process than updating from Joomla 4 to 5. In the following video tutorials, we'll take a close look at the various built-in Joomla extensions. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.